What up guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video, well, especially been a week since I've been in England. So yeah, I'll show you a little thing which I've got from Spain. Fidget spinner. You can get one circles around. Now go on to these ones. So this is what you can do with them. And this is might be a bit short video, but I'm gonna be talking about some other stuff. And also guys, tomorrow I'm reading the comments, I think. This is what you can do with them. Well, I can do this one. No, that one. And plus I'm holding it too well for you. You can see. So guys, yeah, this is what a fidget spinner is. And yeah, there's also, well, it's not really a trick, it's just a thing with people do with them. You meant to grab it on one of the circles, which are these little things here. Yeah, these special things. These are like, I don't remember what the name are, but they type of wheels. Oh, I almost did it. Did it. What? Did it? No, almost. So yeah guys, this is just another random video. And yeah, I might just be talking about, this is a vlog basically. So yeah, this will be vlog number 1. Like today I'm doing vlogs. Just about what's going on in my life. I'm going to apply tomorrow. And Daniel, if you're watching, yes. Daniel Sawyer, if you are watching. Yes, it's your birthday tomorrow. Well, it's party tomorrow. And we're going to the showcase. The best in America. It is. Yeah, this is just fidget spinner tricks. And also, listen to the song this makes. That's just on my desk. Which guys, as you can see is here. See, I know I'm gonna do this trick. It's not a trick. It's just something which is very powerful for one of these. Like, people say that this is fake, but it ain't. People, you can't get a fake fidget spinner. It's only real. Well, you can't get a real one, but this is a real one. I got mine from Spain when I went on holiday. Guys, I did shoot one video over there. That was vlog number 1. This is vlog number 2. I haven't uploaded that vlog yet. I was gonna do it through my iPhone because I took my iPad, my iPhone on holiday, so I had a lot. If this video, thanks for 42 subscribers, by the way, guys. That was a real big surprise for when I came home from holiday. 1 subscriber had subscribed. 1 subscriber. I am so happy. Whoever liked them. Why is my hair ginger? My hair is ginger. It's all not here. I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the video. It's quite a boring video actually. So yeah, if you want to comment how your holiday was, please do that. And hang on, when am I gonna do the comment? And let me think of some random days. Some random day. Let me get this. Wait 1 minute, guys. This is just YouTube and dates. I haven't created a YouTube and dates. YouTube bits. So yeah, I'm gonna write this in my diary, YouTube bits, with my special bad business pen. Also Access Solutions, LTD. My address is basically, well, where I live is where the company set up. And YouTube dates, which I need to remember. Vlogging days are any day, except what day am I gonna do? Oh, come on then, just write YouTube dates. By the way, I'm writing it, guys. Where's a box file? Guys, I'll sort this in another video. Yeah. And I'm gonna have a box file full of stuff on YouTube. So, this was the end of the video. I'll come back in a minute after I've thought of this box file thing. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. In this video, I can get to 10, at least 10 likes. No, wait. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.